The line painting and asphalt maintenance industry hasn't seen anything like us. We're here to change the game. Our skills in line painting is what made us famous. We paint parking lot lines, crosswalks, speed bumps, curb, and more. The extensive training and quality assurance systems ensures that every EverLiner on site completes your project to a high quality standard as efficiently as possible. Have you heard about our revolutionary exclusive product, TBL Durables? Traffic paint doesn't last as long as it used to on high traffic areas, but we have the solution. TBL Durables is an environmentally friendly, non-slip durable plastic that adheres directly to asphalt. It is an alternative that is budget friendly and will last 3 times longer than standard traffic paint. We're proud to say that it is exclusive to EverLine Coatings and Services system to better support the needs of our clients and to provide thoughtful, customized solutions. We also complete specialized interior coatings such as durable interior warehouse line painting that will keep your center safe, organized, and efficient. Let's not forget, here at EverLine Coatings and Services, we're an overall parking lot and property maintenance contractor. We specialize in completing all types of services that encompasses all of our clients' needs. To keep pavement protected and to maximize its life, we apply asphalt seal coating, crack filling, and pothole repairs as a regimented maintenance program for your property. To keep your property clean, we complete power washing and power sweeping to keep the parking lot free of dirt and debris. Are there ever enough signs? We also install parking lot signs and curb blocks to enhance safety awareness for patrons and the public. Our fully trained staff and exceptional network of service partners allows us to fulfill any and all parts of your maintenance program.